I just wanted to share this as well because the Bible says that all of us as Christians, we are soldiers in God's army, okay? So, when the Lord gives me instructions to share with the people of God, the Lord will speak to me in military terms, okay? So, the Lord will sometimes tell me He needs all Christians boots on the ground, okay? Like King David was a commander in God's army, Joshua was a commander in God's army, okay? And I just want to share this. Like I said, we are soldiers in God's army, okay? So, God trains us like we are in the army because we are in the army of God, God's army. Okay, so there's some Christians, I don't know, eh? I really don't know about them because, like I said, you must be trained in spiritual warfare because you are engaging in a spiritual battle. Okay, so I thought about it today and I was thinking there's some Christians, hey, they're not gonna make it, eh? Because of their laziness and their ignorance, they're not gonna make it. Okay, the spiritual realm is not a place to be played with. Okay, you must respect the spiritual realm.